Mga ka-Elevate, welcome po sa ating technical session. Coach Marvin here. And today, pag-uusapan po natin paano mag-register ng isang bagong account sa ating bagong system. Okay. So, upon visiting our website, elevate.ph, that would take you to our login page. And doon sa ating pong login page, you can click the register button in order for us to create a new account. So, pagpupunta po natin doon sa ating new account, and simply fill up yung bagong account na ating pong i-encode. Okay? After putting up the name, you can put up the email. And make sure na yung email po na ilalagay niyo po dyan ay legit na email so that you can have your account be verified. At the same time, yung mga push notification po ng ating company would be able to receive using your email so that you will be updated from time to time if there will be a transactions happening. And of course, mahalaga din po yung email na yun kapag in case nakalimutan niyo po yung password ng inyo pong account ay pwede niyo po siyang ma-reset using your email. Okay? So after putting up the names and your email, so pwede niyo pong ilagay dyan yung email po ng inyo pong sponsor. So by putting up the email of your sponsors, then you can click the validate button. So, bakit po mahalaga na i-validate yan? So that you can be sure na yung email po na ilalagay nyo po dyan ay tama. And to make sure na lalabas po dyan yung pangalan ng inyo pong sponsor. Right. So, upon validating, lumabas po yung pangalan ng aking sponsor, si Jan Doe. And by ticking the tick box, it means that you agree to the terms and condition and the privacy policy of Elevate Well. Okay. So, using your details, and you can click the button create account so that this account will be created. Ayan. So, account has been created. Then, you click to login. So, ayan po yung ating login page. So, you can input yung inyo pong email and password dyan. So, upon putting up the email and the password, so the next thing that you have to do is basically activate the account. So nakapag-create ka ng account pero yung account na to ay hindi pa po activated. In order to have this account be activated, you can click the buy package button and that would take you to our account package section. At sa account package section, during initial enrollment, ang naka-default po dyan na package na available ay yung tawag po nating starter package which is part of our booster program. Okay? So by clicking buy package, that would take you to provide your payment details. Okay, so ilalagay po natin yung ating payment details, paano ba tayo magbabayad. So, upon enrolling, pwede mo pong bayaran itong package na to na bibilihin mo na starter package via office. So, pwede mo pong bayaran sa opisina yan. At pwede mo po yung bayaran sa pickup hub. Nga lang, pag sa opisina po a-activate niyan or sa pickup hub, it will be activated by our pickup hub. Okay? So, pero kung gusto mo siyang bayaran at ito po ay mapupulpil at mai-enroll ka agad, pwede mo siyang bayaran via QRPH or via credit card. So, for this transaction, let's say babayaran ko siya, using my credit card. So, providing my credit card details that would prompt me and be required to add in my address para alam kung saan po ipapadala yung produkto na aking pong bibilhin. Okay, so lagay po natin itong aking address details. So upon clicking that, now I could place a delivery notes just in case meron po akong bilin paano yung produkto ay darating o deliver sa aking pong address. Now, after po, para to complete my transaction, I could click the place order button. And upon putting that, that would prompt me to complete my payment using by inputting my card details. So, meron mga naka-default na card details dito, which is a test card for this transaction, but it would proceed as I click the button pay. Ayan. So, yan po. Ibig sabihin, yung aking package has been completed. Kompleto na po siya at binayaran ko so using my credit card. So, ibig sabihin, pwede ko na siyang i-activate immediately. And I would just simply wait for my product to be delivered with my address that I have inputted. Now, andiyan po sa form po na yan, makikita niyo po yung order details mo, kailan mo siya binili, anong araw, anong oras. So, yung payment mo has been paid. Now, the status of your product has been pending. Depende po yan kung yung product po ay na-move na-deliver na. So, it will get you updated using tracking that will be inputted later. Okay, so sa payment details, binayaran ko siya via card. It was paid, status, and afterwards, andito po yung aking shipping details and the item that I ordered. Sabi niya po doon, thank you for your purchase. So what I'm going to do afterwards is just to go back to my dashboard. At pagpunta ko sa dashboard, ang sabi niya doon, your account is eligible for self-activation. Click the button to activate your account. Now, provided na yung upline ko po ay wala pa po siyang defaulted na mga account on his left leg. No, hindi niya pa nabuo yung tatlo or wala pa siyang downline sa kanya pong left leg. So, ngayon po, pwede mo nang i-activate ang sarili mong account. Unlike dati. Dati, kailangan mo pang i-prompt si upline para itag ka or i-activate yung account mo. By this time, sa ating pong bagong sistema, ay hindi na po natin kailangan yon. Mas madali na po at mas simplified. And sabi niya, since you are eligible for self-activation, I could simply click the activate button and my account will be activated. Ayan. Sabi niya, your account has been successfully activated. And I would go to the account tab and click the packages. And upon clicking the packages, it would prompt na yung iba pa pong mga tab within my dashboard would be loaded up. Okay, so now let's just simply explore yung ating pong dashboard. So now your account has been created and it is now being registered. Register na po siya. Ayan po ang iyong pong bagong dashboard. So ito po yung ating income. Diyan po yung ating mga withdrawal status. Diyan po yung ating savings. Ito po yung ating network. So makikita niyo po yan. Ayan po yung genealogy niyo. Ikaw po yan. And ayan po. So dito tayo mag-a-add. And this is the stores. Ayan po. That's how you create a new account. Dito po kung gusto niyo po mag-order ng inyo pong mga products na bibilhin, pwede ka na mag-order. And since you activated your account to starter package, you have an initial discount of 20% discount sa lahat po ng mga product po natin sa ating online store. So, ganun lang po kadali kung paano mag-encode ng bagong account sa ating bagong system. Right? So, maraming salamat and till our next technical session. Thank you.